Hi, my name is D. I'm Siddha Yuva 15CS295, and this is my second video for database lab. And in this video, I'm going to explain about data manipulation language. We have to work and get familiar with DML command. DML is nothing but data manipulation language, which where we use the select, insert, and update, delete, and following commands to select the table, to insert table, to update table, and delete the table. And it is used to store and modify, retrieve, delete, and update the data in the database. So here I have created the the table deposit and give it the certain types of elements in it. So as usual, if we want to create a table, we have to give the command create table, table name, and so on. The command is and in this pockets we have to give the column names which we have to add, and for that we have to give their variables like varchar. I am giving for for account number I have to give the numbers and characters, so I am giving varchar. If you give like the same the code, then table is created. To see the table which we created, we have to declare it first, the ESC with DESC, and we have to give the table name. So this is the table we have created, and to give the elements in the table, we have to give the command insert table name values, and in the bracket we have to give the certain elements to insert as per the table. So I already given that, so I'm going to show you the elements which I have inserted in the table. So these are the elements which I have inserted in the table, 5 elements. And after the creating table, the question they asked me is, they said to create another table with the following specifications: cname, city, and varchar to see as. So I have created a table name as branch. So I'm going to show you the table. So this is the table, and I have created another table. The table name is customer. This is the table. And last but not least, this the table is borrow. This table is for borrow. So table is, so this table is for borrow. After creating these four tables, the condition they asked is, let me show. show the certain column name, to show only the certain column name, not showing the remaining, to select the particular column name, we have to give the command select account number. So I am going to select these two columns. So it's selected from the table name called borrow. These two columns. This is how we will select the columns, separate columns. And after this select, after select, we are going to use update. If we need to update any element, so we have to give the condition update deposit and its table name and the thing which we are going to update it. This is how the update is going to work. And to delete that some certain, to delete, if we have to delete a particular element, we can't just delete the whole the table. So we are going to use the this delete statement, this delete code, so that we can delete a particular element which we don't need. So delete, and we have to give from the table which we are going to delete the table name here, and after that where, and the element which we are going to delete. This is how the code is work. And this is all about the select, update and delete statements. And next, let's move for experiment 2b. So here we are going to see about how it works and get familiar with TCL commands. So TCL is nothing but translation control language. Here we have to insert the following tuples, my Nagar, MG Road and Bangalore, into the branch table. So branch table is created in the 2A. So for that table we are going to insert these two tuples. So as I said, if we want to update anything, the command is go for update table. So the code is update table and table name the thing, and we have to give the thing which we have to update. And this is how it works. And if we want to commit the transitions which we did, we have to just give the commit keyword, so it will show like this. So it will show that commit completed. And if you want to roll back to the save point which we saved, so we have to give the command so then it will roll back to the save point.